At Frain, every project, machine, or complete line of equipment is thoroughly inspected before it leaves our building. Part of that is the Factory Acceptance Test, FAT, where we invite your team to witness a complete run of your machine's output with real product in real time at our facilities. Here are the 5 steps to a successful FAT with Frain. Step 1. Come prepared. When you and your maintenance technicians come to our facility to see your machine running in person with your product, you're able to witness your machines running as if they're on your floor. This helps in validating your specifications and operational efficiency. Step 2. Bring the right people. Take full advantage of the testing and training. Include anyone who will be installing, operating, or maintaining your machine. You'll be glad you did. Step 3. Plan for a full day. An FAT is for testing, training, and confirming the scope of your work. This is why it'll take the whole day, and it's worth it to ensure your operation runs smoothly and addresses nuances prior to installation. Step 4. Learn from our technicians. Work with our technicians that set up the machines and learn valuable information on the machine. We want your team to have a full understanding of your machine when completed. Step 5. Recommended spare parts, manual and startup assistance, and training. After completion of the FAT, Frain's technical team will supply you with recommended spare parts list, an OEM manual, and startup assistance and training. We are here to support you well after the machine arrives at your facility.